Hello, my dear students. Myself, B.B. Paturi, lecturer, Mechanical Engineering Department, SJPN, Justice Polytechnic, Netsosi. First, welcome you all to the third semester. In this sem, I am going to handle you people machine drawing course. Here, today we will discuss about subject detail and its syllabus. Here, the course title means subject name is machine drawing, and total contact hours 78 hours, credit 3 hours, means per class 3 hours, and per week there are 2 classes, total 6 hours per week, and type of course is tutorial and practice, and course code is 15ME 34D. Then type of subject is core, and for continuous internal evaluation 25 marks, semester end examination 100 marks. Here in CIE 25 marks, 20 marks for drawing sheets and 5 marks for activity. In the earlier drawings, that is engineering graphics 1 and engineering graphics 2, 25 marks for, there was 25 marks for sheet only, but here 20 marks for sheet and 5 marks for activity. Here course objectives are, you have to understand the drawing, which includes clear visualization of objects and the proficiency in reading and interpreting the wide variety of production and assembly drawings. Then the course envisages reinforcing and enhancing the knowledge and skill acquired in earlier two courses mean graphics 1 and graphics 2. Then course outcomes are, there are 6 course outcomes, CO1 to CO6. Here course outcome 1 is interrupt conventional symbol as per IS code SP46, and CO2 understand the conventional methods of representing threaded fasteners. Course outcome 3, understand the conventional representation of riveted joints. You have to study how to represent the riveted joints. Then categorize attributes of production drawings, limits, fits and tolerances. Then illustrate the significance and use of tolerances of size, forms and positions. Then last one is visualize the assembly of a given set of details of machine components. Here the course content and blueprint of marks for semester end examination. There are 6 units. First unit is conventional representation for 4 hours and will contain 50 marks. You will get 15 marks on the first chapter. Second unit is threaded fasteners, 12 hours and 15 marks. Third one is riveted joints, 12 hours, 15 marks. Fourth is limits, fits and tolerances, 6 hours, 15 marks. Fifth one, production drawings, 6 hours. Then last one is details to assembly, 38 hours, 70 marks. Here the unit 1 is conventional representation. Here standard conventional using SP 46 1988 materials you have to represent in drawing sheets, or you have to draw the representation of cast iron, mild steel, brass, bronze, aluminium, wood, glass, concrete, rubber, long and short brick, in pipe, rod and shaft, various sections, half removed section, half section, removed section, standard convention of knurling, splined shafts and chains, chain wheels, springs with square and flat ends, gears, pocket, wheel, counter sunk and counter bore. Then unit 2 is threaded fasteners, screw thread terminology. You have to study the screw thread terminology, conventional representation of external threads and internal threads. You have to draw the top and front views of hexagonal headed bolt with nut across flat and corner. You have to draw the square headed bolt across corner and flat, cylindrical headed bolt, eye bolt, locking devices. Draw the views of for standard dimensions, lock nut, castle nut, studs, tap bolt, machine screws, washers, keys, sunk key, give headed key. These are the what? Threaded fasteners. Then third unit is riveted joints. Rivets, type of riveted joints. You have to draw the sectional front view and top view of single riveted lap joint, double riveted lap joint with chain riveting and zigzag riveting. There are two types of rivetings, chain and zigzag. Then you have to draw the sectional front view and top view of single riveted butt joint with single and double cover plate. Double riveted butt joint with chain riveting and zigzag riveting with double cover plate. Then unit 4 is limits, fits and tolerances. Concept of limits, fits and allowances. Introduction to ISO system of tolerances, dimensional tolerances. Draw the working drawing plane step and turnet shaft of varying diameter. Indicate the dimensional tolerances. Fifth one is production drawings. Surface of roughness, indication of machining symbol showing direction of lay, roughness, grades, machining allowances, machining symbols used in industry. Then the last unit is details to assembly. Introduction to the unit assembly drawing. Step involved in preparing assembly drawing from details of sequence. Here the detail is given in the question. Then you by using that detail you have to prepare the assembly. Here preparation of details and assembly of parts with sectional views of socket and spigot joint, quarter joint, knuckle joint, protected flange coupling, universal coupling, plumber block and screw jack. You have to draw the front and side views and top views of all these drawings, assemblies. Then textbook is Machine Drawing by K.R. Gopal Krishna. Reference books are Machine Drawing by N.D. Bhatt, Machine Drawing by Siddheshwar, Code of Practice for General Engineering, IS Code SP 46 1988. Then Production Drawing L.K. Narayan. These are the reference books. Then suggested activities, suggested list of student activities. The following note here, the following activities related to unit 5 and for assembly, that is CII marks, that is 25 marks. 25 means here 5 marks for activity and 20 marks for sheets. Here each student should submit any one of the following type of activity or any other similar activity related to the course, and before take up and get it approved from the concerned teacher and HOD. Each student should conduct different activity and no repeating should be occur. Here the suggested activities are: first one, select at least 4 simple mechanical components, each made up of minimum 5 to 6 manufacturing operations. You have to select at least 4 simple mechanical components, and each component should be made up of minimum 5 to 6 manufacturing operations. Means welding, machining, forging, these are all manufacturing operations. Get them approved by teacher, measure and sketch them in a drawing sheet with dimensions. You have to select at least 4 simple components and you have to measure them and sketch them in a drawing with dimensions. Then second one is select at least one simple mechanical assembly in a group of 5 to 6 students. You have to select any one simple mechanical assembly in a group of 5 to 6 students, each made up of minimum 5 to 6 manufacturing operations. Get them approved by teacher, measure and sketch them in a drawing sheet with dimensions. Example, assembly of any coupling, carburetor, machine wise, fuel pump, tailstock, etc. Then third suggested activity is bring actual assembly from workshop or industry, measure the dimensions, sketch it and make 2D production drawing for the same. You have to bring actual assembly from the workshop or industry and you have to measure and sketch it and made 2D production drawing. These are the what suggested list of student activities. Here this is what model of rubrics for the activity, how to give the 5 marks, data collection of data, fulfill team's role and duties, shares work and equality, listen to other teammates. These are the what rubrics for activity 5 marks. Then course assessment and evaluation scheme. Here CI is for the students 25 marks, graded exercise, average marks, all graded exercise to be computed for 20 marks, means drawing sheet marks, and course outcomes are 1 to 6. Here if for example there are 10 sheets, then average of all those 10 sheets out of 20 marks. Here semester and 5 marks for student activities, log of activity, means drawing in that drawing sheet only you have to draw the drawings for the activity. And semester end exam, end of the course, it is for 100 marks, that is answer scripts, and you have to give the feedback on the course, middle of the course and end of the course. This is what course assessment and evaluation scheme. Then model question paper. See there note answer when any one from part A and part B and part C is compulsory. Here in part A you have to answer any one. There are 2 questions for 50 marks, and also in part B there are 2 questions for 15 marks, 15, and you have to answer any one. And part C content 70 marks. See there, question number 1 there are 2 questions for 9 marks and 6 marks, total 15 marks, and question number 2 for 15 marks. You have to answer any one from these 2. And here also 15 marks, you have to draw any one. And here part C is compulsory for 70 marks. Here front view, see the part C question. The detailed parts of screw jack is given. Assemble the parts and show the following views to 1:1 scale. Show the important dimensions on the assembly drawing. And front view in section is 45 marks. Top view what? If you draw top view, 25 marks. You got 25 marks. Here the details of the parts are given in the question paper. Using those parts you have to create the assembly. Front view in section, already you studied the sectioning in the graphics 2, and you have to draw the top view, assembled screw jacks top view for 25 marks. Front view for in section 45 marks, and top view is for 25 marks. And here the model question bank is there for the course outcome 1, part A and part B, and course outcome 2. Here also, this is part A and B, and part B here. For part C, it is for 70 marks. First one is what here? Socket and spigot joint. The details are given by using these details drawings. You have to create the assembly. Second is knuckle joint. Then third one is protected type of flange coupling, and fourth is universal coupling. Then fifth is plumber block is given. Assemble the parts and show the following views to 1:1 scale. Show the important dimension on the assembly drawing. Front view with right half inch section, top view. And sixth one is screw jack. These are the what? 6 assembly questions. From these 6 questions, you will get any one question for 70 marks. In the next class, we will discuss about the first chapter. Thank you.